Orient Flex is a company specializing in the production of hose products, with more than 16 years of market experience. Famous for its good quality and competitive prices, it is one of the indispensable products for many customers. Hydraulic hose 1 meets the performance and requirements of EN 853-1 SN. The reinforcement is a single-layer steel wire braid, and the outer rubber layer is black oil-resistant synthetic rubber. It has excellent wear resistance in hydraulic supports, oilfield mining machinery, mining, highway and engineering machinery. Hydraulic hose R2 meets the performance requirements of EN 853-2 SN, high-pressure hydraulic systems for industry and agriculture. The reinforcement is a two-layer steel wire braid, and the cover is an oil and weather-resistant synthetic rubber. It has extremely high wear resistance, is very suitable for hydraulic systems in industrial and agricultural fields. Hydraulic hose 4SH with 4 layers of spiral steel wire reinforcement. The inner hose is oil-resistant synthetic nitrile rubber, and the outer rubber layer is oil-resistant and weather-resistant synthetic rubber. Mainly used in the fields of petroleum-based and water-based hydraulic oils. Because of the reinforced layer, it has extremely high pressure-bearing capacity. Hydraulic hose 4SP. The inner tube is oil-resistant synthetic nitrile rubber. The reinforcement layer is 4-layer spiral steel wire, mainly focusing on cloth production, and the production technology is mature. It complies with international certification standards and shows excellent wear resistance and oil resistance during use. Hydraulic hose R13. It is mainly divided into 2 types, namely 4-layer and 6-layer steel wire reinforcement. It can flexibly respond to different uses of different customer groups and requirements. The cloth surface increases its wear resistance and weather resistance, and can also be flexibly dealt with in the system field of hydraulic hoses. Our factory has an annual production capacity of more than 1,800,000 meters, and is fully equipped to meet the needs of many different projects. In addition to the above hydraulic hoses, we can also provide a full range of hydraulic hose products, such as hydraulic hoses R3, R4, R5, R6, R9, R10, R12, R14, R15, R17, and hydraulic pressure measuring hoses. Our goal is to become the most cost-effective hose supplier in the world. Whether in the production or testing process, we will have professional technicians to strictly control and ensure that it is delivered to everyone. The products in the hands of customers are safe and reliable,